What's up, family, and welcome back to my channel, That Girl Plummy, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna be making pepper steak Jamaican style. Now, if you want to see how I prepare this wonderful meal, don't go nowhere. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay right there. Let me show you how we get this done. So we have to wash our meat in some vinegar and lime water. Okay, now I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of one of the best jerk season, Walker's Wood. Now to my pot, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of grated ginger and 1 teaspoon of grated garlic. Okay, y'all, ginger, for some reason, it always boosts your flavors lovely in your food. So I always try to go in with some nice ginger. And we're going to give this a quick stir. Now, I know you guys saw that brownness coming in. I like my stuff looking like that. And then I'm going to go in with some chopped scallion. And right after I go in with the chopped scallion, I am going to add my pepper steak. Now, as for my pepper steak, I did not cut them. I bought them from the store as is. And I'm going to add everything to the pot, and I'm going to close it down and allow this to sweat its own water. All right? I'm going to show you everything. Now I'm going to check my pot after about 5 minutes. This is it, y'all. That's why I said do not add water, because every meat sweats its own water. All right, just allow your meat to sweat its own water. Once it goes down, that's the time you're going to go in and add water. But do not add water when you just add your meat to the pot. All right. All right, y'all, we going to check again. So guys, this is how our meat is looking, nice and juicy, and I still didn't add any water, guys. Okay, now that our water is down and our meat still to get on the tender side, I am going to add some water to this, and I'm not going to add a lot of water to cover the meat, just enough so the meat won't stick to the bottom of the pot. Okay, do not add a lot of water. Never add a lot of water into your meat. Okay? Yes. Now it's time to add all these beautiful colors into my pepper steak, my carrot, all my bell peppers, every single color, and all that onion and scallion. Now I try to cut the onion and scallion also in julienne style. You can definitely go ahead and cut it in dice shaped, because I noticed some people do use dice shaped, but most time in Jamaica, we do a julienne style cutting. We cut it just as how the steak cuts. Okay, so get all of that, and then we're going to get our flavors in from the seasoned water. When we season up our meat and we pick out that meat, and we got a nice supper pot. Yeah, here is the seasoned water that was left over. Add some water, then put some ketchup, and then go in with all that goodness. Spice up a food, flavor up a food, make it taste nice, smell nice, and look nice. All right? Yes, people. is everything that I put together, and I'm gonna pour this right here in my pot. And guys, we are not gonna stir it too much, okay? Just gonna give that a little hiccup. Right at this moment, you are going to put your stove at about medium, not too high, because you want your veggies to cook slowly. So I'm going to close this down and let this cook slowly. It's like a steam cook, all right? And then we're going to check back on the next point. The end of my pepper steak, Jamaican style, and I really do hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and also tried it at your home. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. From my kitchen straight on your table. Okay, thank you, bye. Now Sunday dinner is served. Okay, y'all, this is it. Pepper steak with yellow rice. If you want to see the recipe for that yellow veggie rice, you can go ahead and look up under that girl Plummy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys try this at home.